Some problems based on the above definitions and results. The first problem, the transition probability matrix of Markovian chain xn and getting 0 have three states is p is equal to matrix 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.1, 0.6, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3, 0.3. And the initial probability distribution is p of 0 equal to 0.5, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. Find first one, probability of x3 equal to 3, x2 equal to 2, x1 equal to 1 and x0 equal to 3. Second one, probability of x2 equal to 3. This is a very important problem. Now here in this problem, given that the matrix, the transition probability matrix P is equal to 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.1, 0.6, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3, 0.3. There are three states. We can assume the three states are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See here in the sum of each row is 1, 0.2 plus 0.3 is 1, 0.1 plus 0.6 plus 0.3 is 1, 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 1. Okay, this is one of the properties. And also given the initial probability distribution is P of 0 is P1 0, P2 0, P3 0 equal to 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. Now in the initial, now by definition, the initial probability distribution is Pi 0 equal to probability of x naught equal to I for I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here, given that P1 0 is 0.5, P2 0 is 0.3, P3 0 is 0.2. 1, 2, 3 are the states. Now, we know that probability of xn equal to an, xn minus 1, an minus 1, xn minus an minus 2, etc. x1 equal to a, x0 equal to a naught equal to probability of xn equal to n given xn minus 1 equal to n minus 1 into probability of xn minus 1 equal to n minus 1 given xn minus 2 equal to n minus 2 into etc. into probability of xn equal to a1 given probability of x0 equal to a naught into probability of x1 equal to a naught. This is the Markovian property. Using this property, we can find the first one. First problem is probability of x3 equal to 3, x2 equal to 2, x1 equal to 1, x0 equal to 3. Now we can apply Markovian property. This is equal to probability of x3 equal to 3 given x2 equal to into probability of x2 equal to given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 given x0 equal to 3 into probability of x0 equal to 3. Now, probability of x0 equal to 3 given x0 equal to 2 and 3 are the states. We can denote this as probability of P of 2, 3 into probability of, P of 1, 2 into P of 3, 1 and the final one is probability of 3, 0. See what is probability of x3 given x equal to P2, 3, 2 and 3 are the states. See here, the matrix P is this, the states 1, 2, 3, we can write down. The first row is P11, P12, P13. Second row P21, P22, P23. Third row P31, P3, P33. Here P23 is second element, that is 0.3. P12 is, this is second element, first row second element, P0.3. And P31 is third row first element, 0.4. And P30 is the initial probability distribution, that is P30 is 0.2. Multiply this, we get 0.072. And in this problem, the second part is probability of x2 equal to 3. That is, we can find the state 3 at step 2. Now we know that the nth step probability distribution of the Markovian chain is P of n is equal to P of n minus 1 into P. Here in this problem, put n is 2. 2 is the step, n is 2, 2 is step. That is P2 is equal to P1 into P. But P1 has P0 into P. We can substitute the value P1 in this case. P2 is equal to P0 into P, that is P0 into P square. We can find P2, that is P0 into P0. What is P square? P square is P into P. P has 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.5, 0 0.1, 0 0.6, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.3, into 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.5, 0 0.1, 0 0.6, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.3, 0.3. Multiply this matrix, we get matrix 0.27, 0.39, 0.34, 0.20, 0.48, 0.32, 0.23, 0.39, 0.83. This is square. Now here in this problem we can check whether the first row is somehow the first row is 1, the second row is also 1, third row is also 1. Now what is P2? P2 is P0 into P square. P0 is 0.5, 0.32. We can multiply this matrix, we get 0.241, 0.417, 0.342. Again you can summing this first this row, this is equal to 1. Now the first element is P12, the second element is P22, and the third element is P32. 2 is the step 2 and 1, 2, 3 are the states. Here we can find P32. We can find step 2, state 3. Here in this problem we can find state 3 as step 2, that is P32. Therefore, probability x2 equal to 3 is equal to P32 equal to 0.342.